just arrived here in Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of tulips and everything already. I'm just waiting for my friend Laura. I'll introduce her to the vlog when she arrives. And yeah, so we're here for 4 days and we have a lot planned. Laura is the organiser of this trip. So I really need to get over my fear of people watching me as I vlog. But you know, that's the dumb thing these days, so get over it and enjoy life. Amsterdam, and Laura's here! Hi! Yay! We checked into our apartment, which is up 4 actually, ridiculously steep steps, which will be kind of, might be quite difficult in the early hours.
We walked past the place for food.
I know, we'll go back. Yes, we're going to Anne Frank House later on. The Anne Frank House, it was amazing, and I would definitely recommend if you're in the area. And this is our room that we booked. Rear view there. It wouldn't look really large. And that's not it. It's actually a lovely room once you make it up. Oh, lovely little room. Hello, Amsterdam! Amazing. Nice little toilet and massive shower.
Is it huge?
So we're just gonna, oh my god, the smell. We're just going to get some breakfast in Dunkin' Donuts.
That's this, isn't it?
I think so.
Right,
Oh yeah, it's there. So we're going to look at doing a canal boat tour today. It's looking very grey out there, but we're just about to start this 1 hour cruise of the canal in Amsterdam, and we included tickets to the ice bar as well, so it's about 30 quid each, so not too bad. And you get 2 or 3 drinks in the ice bar, so I'll show you along the way. It's actually called the Lovers Cruise. Into the ice bar, and I think you get like big warming jackets, so we'll see. Going into the Arctic. Oh, it's fucking huge. Wait a minute.
You look well.
Oh, jeepers. Oh my god, what are we doing? We are inside the ice bar and we have our glass of beer made of ice. And it's the typical Heineken. You know, woo! So cool in here, literally so cool. This is like a slushy. No! It's actually minus 9.3 degrees. Cheers, Lonja! Lonja! We're just going for our second drink. The Heineken. Out of the ice bar, and it was pretty cold. The gloves didn't do anything. Absolutely frozen. We had to sit in the other bar and thaw out before we could leave, because it's not that warm here at the moment. And it was a really fun experience, but we didn't stay there very long. We're waving here.
I didn't read that out.
Wander around House of Bowls cocktail experience. Of course, everything I post is about drink. On this trip, we got a free espresso martini with our ticket. So free in Amsterdam, and the sun is shining. Yay! We're just waiting to go into this pancake place, and there's a queue, so it should be a good sign. Yay, pancakes! The most amazing pancakes in this place behind me, Pancakes Amsterdam, is very nice. It's just across the road from the train station, Central Station, so I would give it, say, 5 stars out of 5. Yeah? Okay. What would you give it?
I'm gonna give it 3 or 4.
Oh! Laura's gone into one of the museums here behind me. Don't really have much of an interest in museums, but I'm just going to have a wander around here. The gardens and everything's really cool. Try and get a shot of the I Amsterdam sign, but it is very busy. But the sun is shining and it's delightful. So nice. hour sitting there watching people jump in and out of the fountain. Some getting soaked. It's actually quite funny to watch, and was just relaxing in the sunshine. The I Amsterdam sign. If you've seen pictures of Amsterdam, I'm sure you've seen it. But as you can expect, it is full of tourists and people. Let's see. We can get the whole thing in. God.
I don't know.
Maybe if we go down a bit further.
So I'm asleep.
As you expect. Oh, there seems to be a little market on here, so around travelling. Just stumbled across this really nice market. Food and drink and like little stalls. I think so. I just asked someone, and the market is open every third Sunday of the month. So we're just pretty lucky that we stumbled across it today. So if you're coming to the museum, Van Gogh Museum, or the other one, can't say it. Then, and if you're lucky enough to be here on the third Sunday of every month, then enjoy. I think you can look it up online as well to see when because the dates could change. So I think it's museummarket.nl. Check it out.
So, welcome guys. I am today going to teach you maybe one or two things about beer. But before I do this, let's take a moment to appreciate this wonderful beer. Let's raise it up in the air all together. And on three, we are going to say Hallelujah! 1, 2, 3. Hallelujah! So, we have appreciated the beer now. When we look at the beer, guys, what color does this beer have? Not yellow, no, it is golden.
Gold, yeah.
It's golden. It's golden because we slightly roast the barley. We can also see the foam layer, ladies and gentlemen. This is our protection layer. Make sure that
Barley, heated and filtered.
It's not bad. Do you like it? It's nice. Would you like another one? No, thank you.
Oh, okay.
Thanks.
The Heineken experience. It was so good, and we actually got 3 drinks.
4.
No, 3.
4. They're shot.
No,
4.